What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trucker Life 804 back with another video. So do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to get all my latest videos, go to the bottom of your screen and hit that bell to turn on all notifications. We're going up. Let's get it. Yeah, man. What's up, YouTube? So everybody that know me know pretty much what I do for a living. I'm a truck driver. As you can see right now, I'm currently in my truck. So people ask me like, we know you're a truck driver, but what actually is it that you do for a living? Well, I drive a fuel truck. So I'm gonna give y'all a rundown and a demonstration of exactly what I do. Like, I used to be an over-the-road truck driver, but due to my family, wanting to be home, spend more time with my family and things, I decided to come and do the local thing. And I figured like the best fit for me was to drive tankers. I mean, everybody know, trucking changed my life. Like, it brought me from being a person making $20,000 to $30,000 a year to put me in a whole nother bracket, making 60 and more. So trucking changed my life. I mean, it could change yours too. So I'm gonna give y'all some videos, and I mean, if you want more information on how to get into trucking, get your CDL and stuff like that, like, hit me up and we can talk. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a lot of videos on what trucking has done for me and what it can possibly do for you. So with that said, let's get into this video. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna give y'all the basics of what I do. Like, being a fuel truck driver, not only do you have to drive to take the gas from point A to point B, you also, when you get there, you have to unload the truck. And I'm gonna show you pretty much what I'm talking about. So as you look at the truck, you got these 4 drop heads. And you got to get the gas from the trailer through the drop heads to the ground. From the truck to the ground. So how we gonna do that? Well, you got these hoses that we got. You hook the hose up to the drop head, and we're gonna get it into these drops. And if you look at the ground and you see everyone has an orange and a certain color: red, orange, white. It's supposed to be orange and white. But what that means is the white is for the regular gas and the red is for the premium. This particular store, we don't do mid-grade. They mix the mid-grade at the pump. All mid-grade is regular gas and premium gas mixed together. But I'm gonna give you a routine of what I do, and just a little show you what I do as I coming out my truck. My little routine might work for you, it might not, but here we go. So when I'm coming out my truck, the first thing that I do is, one, I put my gloves on. All right, so here we go. So I pop my straps off. And if you notice, it's taking the straps off. That's all I'm doing. I'm only taking 3 off because if you can look how close it is from here to here, we don't need no long hoses. All we need is this little short hose right here. So then, walking down, come to my junction box. Open the door, and if you see, we got 4 switches. 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have this one, but this for emergency situation. And we don't want that, so we're not going to discuss that today. So each switch coincide with each head. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what these are valve switches. And what we have to do is we got to open the valves so we can release the gas. So there we go. We got each valve open. We also have a master switch, and this is what charges the system up. So all the gas that's in the tank, we're gonna put air pressure on it, which is gonna push it through the hose into the ground. So once I pull this switch, you're gonna hear it. You're gonna hear the system start charging up, and you're gonna see this gauge go up. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but you see the gauge going up. So it's putting air pressure on the system. So now it's ready to release the gas. We also have this bar right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's laying on these valves. So, and it has this release handle. This is it's called a brake bar. As long as they break the bar down, the truck brakes are released and you can drive. But once you heard that, now the brakes are set, so you can no longer move the truck until you pull the bar back down again. And this is for unloading purposes, a safety reason. So the next thing we want to do is we're gonna open our things in the ground. And what you need is a flathead screwdriver. And all you're gonna do is stick it under the lip and take it up. Then we have to open this. And there we go. Do the same thing back here. We only opening the white ones because we're not bringing a premium today. We only bringing regular. All right. The next step is we're gonna use another short hose. So we're gonna pop these straps as well. All right. The next stop, we're gonna go in our gang box. And you see, we have multiple fittings. We have these big fittings, which you can see it has 2 heads on it, and that's for coax fittings, but we're not doing that today. We're just doing the regular one. So we need these fittings right here. All you do, sit it on there like that, and it has this little lever. Push it forward, lock it down. It's in place. Can't go nowhere. Same thing for the other one. But I'm leaving out a step. First, we need our stick, which has measurements on it. This stick is how you measure how much gas in the tank. I'm gonna stick it now, and then I'm gonna show you later how you measure it. We stick it all the way down in there like that. Pull it out. As you can see, it has gas on it. All the way up to right here. Again, that's up to here, which is 60 inches. I'll show you what it is in a minute. Let's get that back in there. I'm not gonna show you me sticking the other one. It's pretty much redundant. All right. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and hook everything up because I know this is going to fit. I also left off another stuff. I'm getting ahead of myself. We have to open up at least one orange cap. And the only reason why we gotta open up one is because we have this pipe. Let me turn the camera. This pipe right here, which means there's only one, means they manifolded. All the tanks are hooked together. But if you notice, when I open this one, see the head look different? Let me show you this one. So you can see the difference. This one. See the difference? Because this is a vapor recovery head. And what that do is all the vapors that come out when I'm pumping the gas in, we got this black hose, which you see is smaller than this one. And it hooks to this fitting right here, which is a vapor fitting. And what it does, all the vapors that come out from the gas, it sucks it back into the truck. So we're gonna hook that up real quick. Before we get too far. Matter of fact, I'm gonna stop the video because I need both hands. And I'll cut it back on once I get it hooked up. All right, YouTube, so we got that hose hooked up. And what it do is it hooks to, I should have showed y'all before. Every spot that has an orange cap is a vapor hose. So you see, most trucks have 3. So you see that's one. There's another one here. Another one here. All you do, pull it, and if you notice, hold same as the one in the ground. All right, so we got that done. So the next step is hooking up the hoses. But before I do that, I'm gonna let y'all show y'all one thing. If you look, you can see that these drop heads are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. 3,300, 1,100, 2,000, 2,800. That's how much gas can be held in each compartment. There's 4 compartments in this trailer. So that's how much gas we can drop. Normally it adds up to like 92, 93, some trucks can hold 94, but you're only allowed to carry 9,000 where we at. But today, I'm only bringing 8,500. So how I loaded my truck was 32, 1,000, 2,000, 2,500. I take that back. I loaded 3,000, 1,000, 2,000, $2,500. 3,000 and the 33, 1,000 and 1,100, 2,000 and the 2,000, 2,500 and the 2,800. All right, so I'm gonna hook this hose up, and I'm gonna show you how everything look before I start dropping. All right, YouTube. So what I did was hook this hose to this head. Now how you do that, you just slide the hose on and clip both of these ears down. Same thing on this end. Slide the hose, clip both ears down. And then all you do is pull the lever. And I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's gas right there. That's the sight glass, so you can see that it's actually unloaded. Hold on, let me try to cut some light on. Maybe you can see a little better. Cut some light on. I don't think that helped out none, but the gas is in there. I didn't pull this one yet. That's empty. Pull this one down. And that's full. I don't think y'all can tell, it's kind of hard to see. But me personally, I drop my big parts first. So I'm dropping the 25 here and the 3 here. Now I'm gonna switch it over to this. I'm gonna put 4,000 in this one, 4,500 in that one. 4,000 here, 4,500 here. So I'm putting 3 and 1 here, 2 and 25 here. And that's pretty much all I do. I just stand here and wait till they finish, switch it over to the next one, and repeat the process. Oh, and we do have these wheels. As you can see, all of them say regular, unleaded. But they do switch over. It says unleaded plus, premium, vapor, jet fuel, and that's supposed to say ethanol. Let me show you on another one that's better. Yeah, that says ethanol. And then number 2 fuel, which can be anything like E85 or kerosene, anything odd that you don't normally bring. You have your diesel. That's it. Pretty much it. Diesel is always yellow, and I can show you back here. This is what we would drop if we had diesel. You see that's yellow. Other than that, pretty much it. There is one more thing that I wanted to show y'all before I let y'all go, and that is this book. So if you look, we have the make of the tank size, tank type is the tank size. They 20,000 gallons. They can hold 19,703 because you don't want to fill it to capacity. And the diameter of it is 120. So when we get our paperwork, it let us know exactly what size tank it is before we get here. That's how I know it's a 20,120. So if I said we had 60 inches in that one tank, if you go inches, so you say 1 IN mean inch, gallons in space. So it's how many inches it is, how many gallons is in it, how many more gallons it can take. So I said we had 60 inches. So that means it's 10,207 gallons. It can hold 7,526. I'm only putting in 4,000 gallons in there. So pretty much, you know, well over enough space. But other than that, you know, that's pretty much it. That's a day in the life of a fuel truck driver. I drop this, go to the terminal, load up, and head to my next stop. That's all I do. Hurry up and wait. Oh, and one other thing before I let y'all go. You see these 4 red lights? They all are on. That's the light indicating that it's gas in each compartment. When one finishes, you'll see the light is out. So it's 3 ways you can check to see if the tank empty. You can knock, see if it's hollow. That clearly isn't hollow, so you know it's gas in there. You have your sight head here on each one. Y'all can't tell, but if you was here, you will be able to see that it's gas in there. It's not clear. It has a tint to it, so you know it's glass in there. Gas in there. I said glass. Gas in there. So that's the second way you can tell. And 3 would be the light. So there's little tricks and tips and trade, you know, that we do. And once you unload, finish, return this from regular. I put these on vapor because it is vapors in there, so I just put it on vapor. And that's pretty much it. Well, so any other questions y'all want to ask, comment down below. I answer it to the best of my ability. If I can't, I know I can find an answer for you. But that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. But I do want to leave y'all with this. Where every great goal is great sacrifice. Where we can do it all through the Most High. So sky's the limit. Don't sell yourself short. And I'm out. Yeah, man.